How to beat the crowd at Super Nintendo World. Super Nintendo World just opened in February of this year, and it's been extremely popular. The land is only so big, which has made crowding an issue. Summer's here, and we will see if the crowds are anything like they were during spring break. You could be waiting an hour just for one of the key challenges, and eating at Toadstool Cafe. If you don't get a reservation early enough, forget about it. So, how do you get everything done at Super Nintendo World in a reasonable amount of time and avoid waiting in long lines? 3 words: early access ticket. Now, what do you get with the early access ticket? You get an hour inside Super Nintendo World before the park opens. Tickets are limited, and that means lower crowds, shorter lines, and you will be able to get done with Super Nintendo World early. Also included with this ticket is a one-time express access to the studio tour, valid only until 11 a.m. The cost for the early access ticket is $20 to $30 per person, but remember, you still need to buy a general admission ticket. When you buy your general admission ticket, make sure to also buy the early access ticket at the same time. They do sell out since the number of tickets sold are limited. The first few weeks of June have already been sold out. Super Nintendo World will have reservations to get in the land if it's a busy day. However, with the early access ticket, you won't need to worry about getting a reservation. Now, on the day of your early access entry, make sure to arrive 30 minutes to an hour early. For example, if the park opens at 9 a.m., you can enter the land at 8 a.m., so you need to arrive by 7 or 7:30. You will scan your ticket and show your early access ticket to one of the team members at the entrance of the park. Then you will walk to the Starway where you will be stopped. This is where a team member will scan your early access ticket. Once you're in the land, you can choose to get in line for Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge or get in line for the key challenges, whatever you want. But if you do want to eat at Toadstool Cafe, make sure to get a reservation for a later time if they will let you. Toadstool Cafe books up early, so you want to make sure you get that reservation. Also, you can buy your power-up bands in CityWalk at the Nintendo store. This way you can buy it the night before and have more time to play. And don't forget to add the power-up band to the Universal Studios Hollywood app. But you don't have to buy a power-up band to play. You just won't be able to collect coins and stamps and get your name on the leaderboard. I've heard from many people that early access is a must. Many have said how they were able to get so much done in that hour, and that the crowds are minimal. I've used it, and I think it's a must. We experienced low crowds, all the key challenges were a breeze to get through. We did all of them, and plus the Shadow Showdown in that hour. Unfortunately, Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge was down the day we were there. We didn't get to ride it at that time. However, we did go back and use the single rider line and only waited about 20 minutes. We love Super Nintendo World, and it's ideal if you can experience it with low crowds. Your experience will be completely different if you spend your time waiting in line for hours. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like Universal content. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.